Whether you're an entrepreneurial trucking company with excess capacity or a brokerage division with valuable freight to ship, it's easy to feel like a small fish in a competitive and sometimes intimidating ocean. Fortunately, with Sylectus, you can join a trusted alliance of fellow trucking professionals, utilizing proven technology to grow your customer base and your business without huge investments in equipment, labor, and marketing, so you can compete confidently against the big guys. Okay, so let's meet Bob. As an entrepreneur with a small trucking company and a budding brokerage division, he's constantly challenged. Trucks return empty on some routes, other times he can't keep up with customer demands. He wants to keep profits up and customers happy, but has limited resources and doesn't want to trust his business to just anyone. Fortunately, he finds Sylectus. Their alliance of hundreds of trusted transportation companies with thousands of trucks across North America makes it easy for him to find a load or broker his excess freight, even at the last minute. Depending on his needs, Bob easily posts a load or searches for one on the Sylectus board. He sends a brief email through the automated system, negotiates a rate, and in no time is ready to go. Bob loves that he's able to keep up with everything in real time, even on his mobile phone. And because Sylectus is selective in who can join the alliance and is transparent in companies' creditworthiness, payment terms, and safety scores, Bob's able to find carriers who treat his customers' freight like he would, and brokers who pay on time. As an entrepreneur on a budget, Bob appreciates that everyone on his team can post as much as they like with just one low monthly fee. With Sylectus, Bob shares his excess capacity with his trusted alliance partners, keeping his trucks full. He's growing faster than he ever thought possible. And he now says yes to every customer opportunity that comes his way. And profits? Well, they've never been better. The growth of your company is a click away. Join Sylectus today, trucking's most powerful network, and see how our award-winning transportation management software can help grow your business.